In a shocking incident, the Himachal Pradesh High Court has strongly condemned Palanpur Civil Hospital doctors for subjecting a minor rape survivor to the two-finger test, instructing the state government to compensate the child with ₹5 lakh recoverable from the responsible doctors. Terming the medico-legal case, MLC report is demeaning. The court led by Justices Tarlok Singh Chauhan and Satyan Vaidya ordered a government inquiry against the examining doctors, emphasizing the violation of the survivor's right. The court barred medical professionals from conducting such tests, warning of potential prosecution. It condemned the gross insensitivity in the MLC design, labeling the hospital's performer as bad in law for disregarding the Indian Evidence Act and violating guidelines from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The court summoned the state health secretary, who couldn't justify the proforma and revealed it was designed by withdrawn immediately. The Supreme Court has declared that individuals conducting the two-finger test on alleged rape victims will change charges of misconduct. This test, performed by medical practitioners, involve examining the victim's genitals to assess her sexual history. Criticized for being unscientific, the practice yields inconclusive information and holds no relevance to rape allegations. The World Health Organization's Handbook on Handling Sexual Assault Victims explicitly rejects the use of virginity or two-finger testing, emphasizing its lack of scientific validity. Let's talk about evolving legal perspective, the demise of the two-finger test in sexual assault cases. In a landmark judgment in 2004, the Supreme Court bench declared the irrelevance of a woman's sexual history in determining the elements of Section 375 rape of the IPC. Criticizing patriarchal and sexist notions, the court affirmed that a woman's credibility in reporting rape should not be undermined based on her sexual activity. Building on these stands, in May 2013, the apex court further condemned the two-finger test, recognizing its violation of a woman's right to privacy. The court urged the government to establish improved medical procedure for confirming sexual assault, aligning with international principles such as the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights 1966 and the United Nations Declaration of Basic Principles of Justice for Victims of Crime and Abuse of Power 1985. Emphasizing on the importance for legal records that avoid re-traumatization and respect survivors' physical and mental integrity, the apex court underscored the entitlement of rape survivors to dignified treatment. Fast forward to April 2022, the Madras High Court took a decisive step by directing the state to ban the two-finger test. This move signifies a growing recognition within the legal system of the imperative to protect survivors from invasive and scientifically questionable practices. This legal development marks significant progress in fostering a more compassionate and informed approach to handling sexual assault cases, reflecting a commitment to safeguarding the rights, privacy, and dignity of survivors in the pursuit of justice. The question is, how can a society truly support survivors and strive for justice while still clinging to outdated and invasive practices that re-traumatize victims instead of respecting their rights and dignity?